how to get best Olymp trade discount promo codes in 2025. So first things first, before you go ahead and log into your account and then start your very first trade on olymptrade, is you'll have to open up any working web browser or your preferred browser on your end. So when it comes to coupon codes, discount codes, voucher codes, my always go-to website is going to be couponchief.com. So once you're here, all you have to do is just to go to this box right here that says search for stores, and then just simply type in Olymp trade without any spaces. So you should be able to see the very first result. Just simply click on that, and then in this page you should be able to see different kinds of codes that you can use, except for these codes right here that has already been expired. So say for example you'd like to get 100% trading bonus Olymp trade promo code. And for you to be able to obtain that unique code, just simply click on this get promo code, copy the code, and then once you're logged in, just simply paste it here. So that's it. That's how you find the best Olymp trade discount promo code in 2025.